I have made this hybrid Delta robot. This type of robot is used for pick-and-place operations in factories. But, do you know why this robot cannot operate in space without gravity? And, do you know why it is not a complete Delta robot, but a hybrid one? Let's see why. So, I wanted to make a robot that operates in 3 dimensions, and it should be lightweight. So this robot with this design satisfies all these requirements. So I made this robot. It is a hybrid of a cable robot and a Delta robot, with the benefits of both. This is the partial CAD design of our robot. We can see 3 servo motors, with a solid link attached to their horns. And we can see the movement of the links. Cable attachment to the links is not shown in this design. For this robot, I took 3 motors. I arranged them on a plane, with an angle of 120 degrees, between each other. A solid link is connected at the horn of each motor. In the previous video, we had made a Delta robot, but it had 2 motors, so its end effector could only move in 2-dimensional plane. This is the circuit schematic. Here, we have 3 servo motors. These motors are connected to Arduino Uno R3 prototyping board. I tried replicating the same in the real world as a simulation. I tested 1 motor, 2 motors at a time, all 3 motors at a time. I thought it would be easy. If 1 and 2 are working, then all 3 should work, but I was wrong. Later, I inverted the plane, and the motors were upside down. This is how a Delta robot should be. And here we have connected a thread between the links. The LED indicates the end effector. This is the workspace of our end effector, of our Delta robot, as per our Python-based simulation. It is kind of bowl-shaped. Due to limitations of our motors, it should be kind of bell-shaped. But, are these simulations accurate, in the real world? Our simulations are mostly accurate. Our robot is working in the same workspace, as the simulated one. Now let's check the extremities that this robot can reach. The topmost point. The bottommost point. The most distant point from the center point of the robot workspace. It can reach all the points, and of course, all the points in between. We just need to tune our inverse kinematics algorithms, to output the desired angle for the motors, and the robot will reach that point. It is called a hybrid, because it has cables, instead of a second solid link. 3 motors and their links provide forces in 3 dimensions, and the gravitational force is the 4th force. Gravity is the one responsible for keeping the cables tight. So, this robot will not work on the International Space Station. There, we will definitely need a pure Delta robot. We can improve this robot by using Metal Gear servo motors, a rigid plastic link and a fishing line as a cable with proper tension. We would also need to improve our algorithm. We could also add a motor on the solid links to wind and unwind the cable, so as to control the end effector in a new degree of freedom. But for now, I am satisfied with this robot. Thanks for watching. See you again, with more robotic technologies. Robotics every day.